Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today we'll see how to make burger buns and patties. For that, here I have taken 425 ml of lukewarm milk. Into this we'll add 1 teaspoon of instant yeast, 3 tablespoons of sugar. If you are using active dry yeast, first activate the yeast and use in the recipe. 1 egg and about 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Into this we'll add 300 grams of whole wheat flour. Mix it well. And I have also added 300 grams of all-purpose flour or maida. Mix it well to make a dough. This should be the consistency of the dough. It will be a little sticky. If you feel that it is not sticky enough, you can add 1 or 2 teaspoons of milk. Now we'll allow this to rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I'll just share a plant stand which I have bought online. I love to have a touch of nature inside the rooms. It is very nice and sturdy. And we can keep about 10 pots on the stand. The instruction is also given, and also they have given a small garden tool kit. It's nice and cute, very useful. So my son is helping me in setting up the plant stand. It's quite easy to assemble the plant stand, but only thing is it will take some time to do it. And our stand is ready. And the plant stand is set. Hope you liked it. It's almost half an hour. Giving it a rest like this will help to develop the gluten. Now we'll transfer the dough onto the surface and knead it till it becomes soft and supple. We can use the stretch and fold method. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes of kneading to make a soft dough. And into this we'll add 50 grams of soft butter and knead it. Instead of butter, you can also use olive oil or any other fat of your choice. Now the dough has become quite soft and elastic. When you stretch it, it won't break, and it is quite nicely kneaded. Now we'll allow this to rest for about 1 hour till it doubles in size. For that I have greased the bowl, and we'll transfer it into the bowl, and we'll cover it with a cling film or a damp kitchen towel. Now we'll make the patties for the burger. Into the oil I have added about 1/4 teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain, and added 2 chopped onions. And here I have taken about 5 bread slices. Just blend it, and into this we'll add some coriander leaves, green chillies, and about 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, and the sauteed onions, and we'll just blend it together. Now we'll mince 500 grams of boneless chicken. We'll transfer this into the bread mixture. Into this we'll add salt to taste and pepper powder to taste and some oregano. You can also add some chili flakes if you like. According to your spiciness, you can increase the number of chilies or the pepper. And into this we'll add 2 teaspoons of soya sauce and mix it really well. Now we'll divide this into 9 equal portions and shape it into patties. I have made 9 quite big patties, so one burger will be quite filling. If you want, you can reduce or increase the number of patties with this measure. Dough has risen well, so we'll slightly knead the dough and transfer it onto the kneading surface, and we'll divide this into 9 equal portions. I'm using a weighing balance to make it into equal balls. Now we'll flatten the ball like this and bring the sides together and roll it to make smooth balls. And we'll allow the balls to rest for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, now we'll again flatten it and once again give it the shape of a bun. And place it onto a baking tray. Here I have lined it with parchment paper. You can either line with parchment paper, or you can even grease the tray and keep the buns. The buns are all shaped. I have shaped the buns like balls, but if you want to, you can just press it slightly so that it will the buns will be flatter, so that when you slice it, it will have more surface area and it will hold the fillings better. After allowing it to rest for about 30 minutes, now we'll brush it with egg wash or milk wash. For that for egg wash, I have taken 1 egg and a tablespoon of milk, and then we'll sprinkle some sesame seeds. Now we'll bake it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes, or till it is done, till it becomes golden brown in color. Now we'll shallow fry the patties. It should be fried for only 3 to 4 minutes on each side on medium flame, till each side is nicely browned. So now our patties are all done. I didn't have mayonnaise at home, so instead of mayonnaise, I have taken 4 tablespoons of cream cheese and 2 tablespoons of thick curd and blend it till it's smooth. Meanwhile, the buns are beautifully baked, so I have taken it out. Add garlic powder and tomato sauce according to taste. Half teaspoon of sugar and salt to taste, and a little apple cider vinegar. All this can be added according to taste, and then some oregano, and finally some pepper powder. So our delicious burger sauce is ready. My son is also there with me in the kitchen. He wanted to make potato wedges. So he is making potato wedges and he is very excited about it. And he's so proud when it came out nice and everybody was appreciating. So once in a while he comes to the kitchen and tries out his culinary skills. So the potato wedges are ready. Now we'll assemble the burger. The buns have come out very well, nice and soft. Placing some lettuce, some tomatoes, and the prepared sauce or mayonnaise. Then the patty and the cheese slice. Now our burger is ready. I had forgotten to put the onions. The onions I had chopped and just squeezed it with a little salt. And our dinner is sorted with the homemade burger and potato wedges. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching till the end. See you with a new video. Bye.